What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. It is Andre back with another great video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online working from home for Amazon. I just discovered this, and everybody knows that Amazon is a great place. They're like one of the largest companies out there. But Amazon is hiring right now. You can get a job and you can work for Amazon. But before I dive into things, if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome. Happy to have you here. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. I always like to know how far my videos are trending. And also, if you're a regular, welcome back to the family. Welcome to the video. It's always good to have you here. So for my new people, comment down below, like, subscribe, and become a part of the family. So yes, Amazon do have work from home. You can work from home from Amazon and you can make money online. I did not discover that until today. And I've been looking through it, I've been searching through it, and you can actually work for Amazon. And everybody knows by now that Amazon, it is the largest company out there. And who doesn't know Amazon? If you don't know what Amazon is, you're living under a rock. So what they have to offer. So Amazon have plenty of jobs, and what they have to offer, they do like customer service reps. You can answer like emails, you can be on chat, you could do more, and you can do this all from the comfort of your home. So you can work from home, make money online. If you're not someone who wants to be on the phone all the time, this would be a great gig for you. So Amazon, yes, they have virtual jobs all over at different locations. And the income potential on this, as what I've read, you can make anywhere up to $5,000 per month with these jobs. So I'm not saying you're going to make 5,000, but it's up to 5,000. So it's anywhere between that lines. But it's a good way to make money working from home and working for Amazon. So all you have to do is go to amazon.jobs. So amazon.jobs. Once you go on here, you can search what it is that you're looking for. Location is here as well. But as you can see, there's virtual locations, and you could scroll down. So what they have to offer, as you can see, they have over 387 jobs posted right now that's ready to go. So they have some full-time, which is, they have over 387. They have part-time. They have also seasonal jobs. So if you look through here, you can see the type of jobs categories that you can get involved with. So you have solution architects, there's sales, advertising, account manager, right? Project, program, product manager, technical fulfillment and operation manager, human resources. So if you look here, right, there's cities that you can work for, business categories that you can get involved with, category work from home, over 387 work from home. So you can click on this, and once the work from home shows up, then you can look through here. So this was updated 5 days ago. You're looking for people like Alexa support. Are you serious about new platforms and technology and have a desire to deliver world-class customer service? So you know a lot of people have Alexa, and they probably have issues with Alexa. So of course they're gonna call Amazon, and then you're gonna get on the phone with Amazon. Of course they're gonna give you trainings and all that type of stuff, so you're not alone. They're looking for bilingual Japanese technical support associate. So you could work from home if you do speak Japanese, right? This is a good gig for you. And they have like some senior research scientist, talent assessment, right? Content insight analysis. And this is in Latin America. So they have like different locations, but this is great for someone who would like to work from home and work for Amazon. So as I said before, the income potential is great. All you got to do is just dive in, sign up, and they give you everything about the virtual location offices that comes to you. You can work, or you can work from home, which is good. So you can work from home and you could get going. So the job categories are down here. Just scroll all the way to the bottom. You can click on it. They're also looking for US and EU military recruitment because Amazon is just growing and it's not stopping. So they sell everything. So of course they're looking for people to work for. And all you have to do is just come on here, find the location, sign up, the culture, benefits, and all that. So I did want to just make this quick video for you so you can watch it, then you can apply what you learn. So this is how you can make money working from home for Amazon. So this is where you find jobs, and I hope hope you could find something. If not, check out, there's tons of different videos on my channel that you can search and find ways how to make money. And if you're looking for my #1 way, the description got loads of ideas and things that you can get involved with. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. Hope this video helps someone out there, at least touches one life. That's my mission. Every day I want to touch someone else's lives just to help them get going to financial freedom. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a great day. Peace.